Cinderella Rex. Once before time, there was a dinosaur named Cinderella Rex. She's cleaning. Cinderella Rex loved to dance, but her stepmother did not let her dance. She had to clean up after her mean stepsisters. One day, a letter came. Everyone was invited to a ball at the castle. Cinderella Rex was finally going to dance, but first she had to help her stepsisters get ready. "There is no time left," her stepmother said. "You're not ready." They left without Cinderella. Cinderella Rex was sad. She wanted to dance at the ball. She could only dance alone in her garden. Look at the picture over here. She's not kind of sad here, and later she's very sad. Then Cinderella Rex saw a puff of magic. A new dinosaur was there. "Who are you?" Cinderella Rex asked. "I am your fairy Triceratops," she said. "I will help you." "Oh yeah, and look at her horns. It's like the galaxy." The day fairy Triceratops waved her magic horns, a dress appeared, 2 shoes appeared. A great big squash turned into a coach. It was magic. That's cool. Other than a wand, it's the horns. Cinderella Rex sang her fairy Triceratops. She was going to the ball. "The magic lasts until midnight," said the fairy Triceratops. "Hurry home." At the ball, Cinderella Rex heard the music. She could not wait. She started dancing. Look, all the musicians, I think it is. Everybody stared. Cinderella Rex was the best dancer they have ever seen. "Who is that dancer?" the prince asked. "I do not know," said Cinderella's stepmother. The clock struck midnight. Cinderella Rex had to go home. She ran out of the castle. The prince followed her. He wanted to talk to her. Cinderella Rex ran down the steps. Her shoe fell off. She tried to pick it up, but her arms could not reach it. She kept running. Oh, look, there's the shoe on, which was the missing one. With the final charm, the magic was gone, but Cinderella Rex was happy. She danced at the ball. The prince had a plan. The next day, he took the shoe to every house in town. He tried the shoe on Cinderella Rex's older stepsister. Her feet was too small. He tried the shoe on Cinderella Rex's younger stepsister. Her feet has too many toes. Next was Cinderella, but her stump mother wanted to try. The stump mother stomped. The shoe was crushed. How would the prince find the dancer? Oh, look. Cinderella knew what to do. She danced. Everybody looked at the prince. Cinderella Rex, he said, will you teach me to dance? Oh, look at those hearts. Cinderella Rex moved to the castle. Her stump sisters had to clean up for themselves. Cinderella Rex was too busy dancing. I'm reading epic on this one too, just like the George one. So you could, if you haven't seen me read the George one, you could also go there and read George. I'm using the same thing, epic. If you have a computer or an iPad, you could do this too.